Hello everyone, my name is Madhav and welcome to Gyanshala Masti. Today we will be talking about an aspect of cricket and basically in it bowling. So let us see. So basically the bowler runs at the speed of usually 25 kilometers per hour, and it is the speed of fast bowlers I am talking about. So when they throw the ball, how does the speed maximize to up to 6%, 6-7%, and it reaches 160 kilometers per hour. So let us see about this in detail. So whenever the bowler runs up, so it gains momentum. So the body of the our bowler gains momentum. So what is momentum? So momentum is basically speed into mass of the object. So the whole momentum of the running body is basically the speed and the weight of its or the mass of its body. So now what happens? So whenever the bowler is ready to throw the ball, so what happens? So the speed is being gained in the legs. So the speed goes from the muscles of the legs to the pelvic muscles, then to the tendons and our back part, and then it reaches our hands. And if you are noticing that the leg has broader muscles, then it reaches even broader muscles here. But when it comes to the hand, the muscles are very short and they are compact. So the mass is decreasing. So when the our momentum reaches the ball, when we throw the ball, then our speed increases to about 6 to 7%. Now you may not understand what's going on, so I will take an example of the Newton's cradle. So in this setup, if we take a bigger ball, then we take a smaller ball, smaller ball, smaller ball, and smaller ball, and then we suspend them like a pendulum. So when we take the biggest ball and push it like this and then leave it, so then you will notice that the momentum of the bigger ball is very slow. But when it reaches, when, when the momentum reaches the smallest ball gains even higher speeds. So basically, with decreasing mass of the balls, the momentum is transferred and its power is concentrated to one point so that we get the speed even higher. So basically, that's what is happening here. The power is going and it is being concentrated on one spot, and it is going like a chain. And then the concentrated power goes to the ball and the ball goes very fast. So this principle is called the kinetic chain principle, in which the kinetic energy is transferred within a chain. So hope you understood this topic, and please like and share this video, and please subscribe to the channel also. Bye.